Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I will be doing a glueless wig install. That's right, this is a glueless wig and this is the new 3D dome cap wig. If you guys want to see how I install it, then please continue to watch. And this video is beginner friendly and I hope you guys can learn something from it. Now the wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it is from OMG Her Hair, and I have worn quite a few of their wigs in the past. I absolutely love their wigs because they are beginner friendly and they are ready to wear wigs. So the wig that I'm rocking today, it is a yaki texture and it's 20 inches and density is 180. So this is what the wig looks like straight out the box. It's a 8x6 wig, by the way, which I think this is my first time trying an 8x6. I've tried 13x4, 5x5s, but I don't think I've tried 8x6. Now, as you can see, the hairline is nice and clean. I don't have to do anything to it. It is bleached to perfection, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Now, as you can see, it is pre-cut lace, and it also has the combs and the adjustment straps on the back. I like the fact that the wig band is actually pretty comfortable to wear, and it also has the C shape, so that way it's comfortable over your ear and it's not feeling uncomfortable where the wig is sitting on top of your ear. I hate that. And I love the fact that you can remove the combs. You guys know I always cut the combs off because I hate the combs on the sides. I find them so unnecessary, but maybe some people like them, but I don't. You can also remove the comb on the back, but I always keep this one. This one has a purpose for me. I need this one. But I love the fact that it has the cord in the back that you can just adjust this cord. So this is their 3D dome cap, which is very comfortable to wear, I find, and it sits super flat on the head. The other wigs, they don't have the 3D dome cap, and I find that they kind of sit high right at the front on the lace. It kind of has this hump in the front. I'll see if I can insert a picture, but this fits super flat. So this is what the original wigs look like, and this is the new one with the 3D dome cap, which is way more comfortable to wear, and the difference in the straps, as you can see. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and pop the wig on. As you can see, I have my ball cap, but I don't need it. You could just do a wig cap. You don't need to do the ball cap method because we're doing glueless. So I'm just going to be adjusting this wig, and it is a 8x6 wig, so it's not a 13x4, so it doesn't go all the way across to the ear, but you still get a lot of lace room to be versatile. Like I could do a center part and a side part. Okay, so I'm just adjusting it just to see how it is fitting, and it actually fits pretty good, and I can definitely pull this off as a glueless wig. Now I'm going to go ahead and pin the hair up and just show you guys what the sides are looking like. So because it's a closure style, I like the fact that it has this C shape that goes around the ear and it's not covering my ear. That can be really annoying. And I'm going to go ahead and pull the adjustment strap just to make it fit nice and tight on my head. Not super tight, but just tight enough where it's comfortable and I can wear this as glueless. So again, it was super easy to just adjust it. And also, I know you guys see the string hanging in the back. However, I did end up pinning that up with bobby pins. Now I'm just gonna go in and just comb the hair. It is sitting a bit high, but we're gonna fix that. So I'm just gonna pin the hair out of the way. I like when my wig has like a widow's peak hairline because I just think it suits my face much better because I naturally have a widow's peak. So this is optional. So I take out the two little pieces and I'm just going to yank those out, and it's super easy just like that. Now I'm gonna go in with my scissors and start cutting that area. This lace is already pre-cut, so you really don't have to do a whole lot, but I like to cut it just so it goes perfectly with my hairline. Next, I'm going to go in with this tinting spray. This one is by the Wig Guru, and the shade that I use is called Caramel Frappe. And I'm just going to go in with my brush, and I spread it on the brush, and I'm just going to add a bit of that to the lace. That way it matches my skin tone perfectly. I personally prefer to use this instead of makeup. I feel like the foundation can be a little bit of a mess, especially if you're using glue or melting spray or anything like that. So I personally prefer to use a tinting spray. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my melting spray. This is my Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and I'm going to use this to flatten down my wig. I learned this from Miss Precious Marie, and this is my product, by the way, but it's good to know when you see other people using your product for other purposes. And I was like, okay, I'm going to try that because I don't really like using the hair wax all the time. I find that it just leaves the wig feeling really, really greasy, and it's just not the look that I'm going for. I want my wigs to have movement. So I'm just gonna spray a bit of that on the top of my wig and go in with the hot comb just to flatten it. Now I will say that this wig was sitting a bit on the high side, but we're going to get her together. Now this is what the wig looks like. No glue, so you can wear this glueless. Now I'm going to go in with some melting spray because I want that lace to be melted. So we're not going to be using any glue. We're just going to be using melting spray just to give the lace a seamless, flawless melt. But if you really wanted to wear this wig without any product whatsoever, you can definitely do so. I'm applying the melting spray onto my brush, and I'm just going to pat that onto the lace, and this is just going to give the lace a seamless, flawless melt. So I just pat that on, and I go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting. And once I go in with my I can't even talk. Once I go in with my blow dryer with my rat tail comb, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a melting band and just leave this on for about, you can leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna add some layers into this wig. Well, not really layers. I'm just gonna trim the hair just a bit because the ends were looking a little straggly. So I'm gonna go in with my scissors, and I'm just gonna put some shape into this wig. I'm not a professional when it comes to cutting. I'm not gonna pretend like I am, but you know, I can do a little something. So that's how the ends are looking. I'm just gonna fix them up a little. They don't look bad, but I just want to fix them up just a little. And then I'm gonna go in with my flat iron, and I'm gonna start flat iron that hair. And the only hair product I'm using in this is the Ion hair serum, and I use the melting spray to flatten the wig down. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and remove that melting band. Are you seeing that hairline? It is flawless, it is clean, and I'm here for it. It's given what lace? Never heard of her. So this is how the wig is looking in a center part. This was super easy to install. I really did not have to do much to it. It's a nice, ready to wear, pop it on your head and go on about your wig, go on about your business wig. And the ends look great. I'm happy with how it looks. Now I'm going to show you guys that you can wear this wig also in a side part even if you want to. So even though it's 8x6, it's not a 13x4, you can still wear it side part if you choose to do that. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and part that out, and I already went in with my hot comb and flatten it, and this is pretty much how it looks in a side part. So you're still able to do a bit of a deep side part with this wig, and no baby hair is necessary. You have a nice clean hairline. So yeah, this is pretty much the end results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the info on this hair will be linked in the description box down below. All the products I use will be linked in the description bar down below as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.